Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to get Zoho backup verification code. So first thing that you're going to do once you've opened Zoho, you're gonna go on your profile over here at the top right corner. Then you're going to click on My Account. Then it will bring you to this new tab, and over here at the left sidebar, you want to click on multi-factor authentication or MFA modes over here. Then if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see the backup verification codes, but in order for you to access this, you have to first do a multi-factor authentication using one of these options. So you can use the Zoho Authenticator app. You can also use your own OTP authenticator. You can also create a security key or a passkey. So just go ahead and select one authenticator mode that you can use. So you have to set up at least one of this. Then just click on Setup Now in order to do the authentication. And after you've done at least one of this, you can now go ahead and access the backup verification codes by clicking on Generate New Codes. Then once you've gotten your code, you can go ahead and use that when you are signing in into your Zoho account. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.